Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix app freezing during workouts on Ladder. So if the app freezes during workouts on your iPhone, it's usually caused by connection issues, low memory, or video playback problems. So actually guys, first you all need to check your internet connection. So do a switch to it. So the workouts videos need a stable internet or connection. So you can just switch from the Wi-Fi to mobile data, and also turn the airplane mode, the option that you can find at the top of my screen and your screen as well. So turn it on, then off, and restart your router if possible and move closer to it if you're on Wi-Fi. Also guys, they really advise you to force closing or open Ladder. So just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up completely the app, so that way you close the app completely from the recent apps and from your phone. And now just reopen the app and rejoin the workouts and check if the issue is still happening. Also guys, they really advise you to restart your iPhone, so this clears temporary glitches that can freeze video playback and lower the load on your phone. So freezing can happen if your phone is overloaded, so just close all the background apps and make sure you have at least a few gigabytes free storage. Also guys, you can reinstall the app, so go to the Ladder if the issue is still going on and it won't fix, and just tap and hold it and go with remove app. And now go to the Apple App Store and look for Ladder using the search bar. Alright, tap it, find it, tap it, and then go with install. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next one.